Synesthetic.
Daily news, breaking news, everyday news on Prince Miller Entertainment TV. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Remember to follow us on all our social media platforms: Instagram, Facebook, Prince Miller Entertainment, Facebook group Prince Miller Entertainment TV. You just watched a video, is trended up on social media of doctors, nurses at Bindura Provincial Hospital. All know that my doctors and my nurses are on strike, and yes, avasitomboshanda kana one saka wakarwara nhasi chaichai wakarwara wakata mudumbu kana kuti gumbo ratyoka kana kuti wadonha mumuti kana kuti watsikwa nemotikari mahwani chaichai because kuhospital hakuna manesi hakuna madhokta unenge watoenda private andika private yacho vanenge vatoda mahusa pamberi andika husa kumberi andika so video munoona sei vari kutiza mapurisa because strike iri illegal. Mapurisa anobvuma kukusungaika kana muchita zviri illegal andika so I went on social media, of course, to our favorite journalist Hope kuti anofunge nevideo because kutenderera, and here to share this video. He actually said that today the regime sent out police officers to go after nurses and doctors who are striking against low wages and terrible working conditions at Bindura Provincial Hospital. The health workers have been on strike since Monday. Hospitals don't have basic medication like paracetamol, and which means kuti kana uchida paracetamol kana kuti mapilisi eBP unotonyorera prescription utonzi inotenga panze apa pamane mahusa saka kana usina mahusa acho hakwanisi kutenga paracetamol panze. And so it is what it is. Ndo life yako ndo mamiro akaita situation at the moment inyaya yemanurses inyaya yemadoctors achitaura in the comments. Someone is saying kuti saka mapurisa akurova manurse nemadoctors guys andika member kuti vese macivil servants vari kutambira manurse nematambira mapurisa zvoda kungofanana andika zvoda kungofanana hapachakambanyosiyana because vese macivil servants andika. So someone is saying that so you mean the same police getting similar salaries? Andika yes, mapurisa kutambira same salary as manurse, but manurse anenge but mapurisa manje anenge vanenge pa command endai munosunga vanhu andita wakapuwa command hakwanisa kuramba kuti nini chef hansida kuenda wakatonzi endai izvozvo pindai muri 10 endai kuHarare hospital kana kuti kuParanyatwa hospital munosunga munodispesa vanhu motoenda because mune mapuwa command and ndo zvamakapikira kapa makaita mapurisa pamakaita masoja. And so someone is saying that where do these useless police officers live? What's their salary? Which planet do they reside in? May God punish the devil and these agents who are ruining and abusing people of Zimbabwe. And shame, poor nurses and those police are also hungry because of the bosses. They have to pretend and beat up people who are fighting for better Zimbabwe. And that police lady kutomhanyisa vamwe vakadzi, what kind of country is ours? And Zimbabwe population is 12 million. I don't think all the security forces can reach 5 million. Guys, do we really allow this small group to oppress the entire nation with this such behavior? And let's rise and do something. If you want to achieve something, then you need to overtake our fear no matter what. These police officers deserve the peanuts they are getting until they understand that we are all in the same boat. They are corrupt, don't respect human rights, and do not uphold and enforce the law as they are supposed to. And but anyway, as a police officer unotichi wanzi command endai munosunga vanhu unotichi chef anskuda chef captain nini disei nini asida kuenda no utonzi buda uende untobuda uchoenda whether you like it or not uchoenda kunosunga vanhu because ndo basa rako. And mapurisa avhumuzwe kuenda pastrike futi ndo zvakapikira pawakajoina police force. So mapurisa oita basa ravo, vari kusunga vanhu vari kuita illegal strike because strike haisanctions nemapurisa. But remember kuti if you want to protest you need to get a permission from the police so that you can protest, otherwise inenge illegal, vane right yekuya vachikusunga. And so someone said that peace cannot be kept by force. Police should not be used as political condoms by government officials who are living large. and mwari kuti what was the plan sending riot personnel beat healthcare workers back to work, and someone saying kuti so demonstration peacefully against poor working condition is a crime. Mwari kuti mapurisa anorewa kupi simba rekurova vanhu, and mapurisa anoriwana kupi simba rekurova vanhu, and mwari kuti such barbaric regime they are sent to brutalize their fellow brothers and sisters. What a pity, instead of the police to protect and not to attack them. I'm so angry of such act. Let's wake up and stop this at once. And so many people are really blaming the police of arresting, of actually dispersing the people, the health workers in Bindura. And per video amona pekutanga imi munozvona sei, ngatitaure in the comment section. This is a daily news, breaking news, everyday news on Prince Milan TV. We're gonna be keeping you guys in the loop regarding to Nyayo strike. This is a nationwide strike. My nurses, my doctors, my health workers, they're saying kuti mara kutambira ishoma, and we can't leave nemara yamuri kutipa, and of course inflation iri kukwira. At the same time my prices, my shops are kukwira. Most shops also prefer my US dollar compared to our local bond. As much as the government wants to promote the use of local currency, but mashopa akawanda vari kuresista mari iyoyo, vakutoda ma-greenbacks, and the government is saying that we cannot pay you guys ma-greenbacks, we can only pay you so much, and the rest tokupa ari mabond, and but vari kuti aiwa isusu tikuda 840 US dollar ndio yatiri kuda, and from the government, and the employer is resisting. He said, you know what, we can do 100% increase, which is starting in the 1st of July, which means we're gonna next atambira 20,000 bond is by July, and atambira 40,000 because when we increase by 100%. At the same time 175 US dollar yagara inongwa yakadaro, and so ndonya ikunetsa. So izvo zvakuti isa is super tight, and yes, the poor, because we can't afford to go to we can't afford to go to private hospital kuma avenues, because kunodiwa mayusa, and kunodiwa mayusa, so totongoponera kuparanyatwa, but iwo kwacho kuparanyatwa nawo usina manesi, usina madoctors, atori mawancha achawa, because hapana munhu anokwanisa kukubatsirai, and so this affects us directly. It affects us directly as much as we want to ignore it, but inyaya ikutopisa, because hatina vanhu vanokwanisa kutibatsira panguva ino, unless uri mbinga unokwanisa kuenda kumaavenues unorapwa, but the rest of us totongoponera kuparanya ikoko kusina manesi, kusina madoctor. And so someone saying kuti with this Mugabe Mnangagwa regime, you never enjoy your fruitful democracy to exercise your rights down with these NPF thugs, looters. ED must vacate the president with immediate effect, because he has shown his incompetence to serve the citizens, and people are not happy about the police, not happy about the regime, and I still feel that the Second Republic failed to deal with the health sector since 2018, since they took over. I still feel that health sector yakarereka, health sector yakarereka, because the minister who was there was Obadiah Moyo. Yes, he ended up being fired because of corruption, and saka vachivenga ndo acting health minister. Saka health sector, since 2018 is the worst run department in government as we speak. Ina ndo manrango, and so it needs to do something when it comes to the health sector, because this is not going anywhere anytime soon. People are still going to be protesting because of nyaya dzema salaries avo, vakuda mari dzinotenga. Munozviona sei? Ngatitaure in the comment section. This is a daily news, breaking news, everyday news on Prince Milan TV. Bless up.